I rise in strong support. China has a law that includes protections for the distinctive culture, language, and identity of ethnic minority citizens. Its regional ethnic autonomy law guarantees ethnic minorities, and I quote, the right to administer their internal affairs, end quote. More specifically, the term regional ethnic autonomy reflects, and I again quote, the state's full respect for ethnic minorities' rights to administer their internal affairs. Madam Speaker, China in recent weeks has reflected anything but the state's full respect of ethnic minority rights, nor of basic human rights recognized in both Chinese and international law. Protest activity has included instances of rioting resulting in destruction of property and death of Tibetans and non-Tibetans alike. This is unacceptable in any context. But most protest activity, while at times disorderly, has been nonviolent. The Chinese government reaction, however, has revealed a level of hostility towards Tibetans not seen in decades and has heightened fears for the Tibetan people. The Chinese government would do well to consider a number of concrete steps to address the current crisis. And I would ask, Madam Speaker, that a list of such steps be prepared by the staff of the Congressional Executive Commission on China be submitted for the record. The Commission monitors and reports on human rights and rule of law developments in China on an ongoing basis. And I encourage all to visit the Commission's website, www.cecc.gov, to subscribe to the online newsletter and to use the China Commission's work to remain up to date on developments in China. The resolution of Tibetan grievances can only occur with direct talks between the Chinese government and the Dalai Lama. The international spotlight will remain long after the ceremonies of the Olympic Summer Games, as China plays an increasingly important role in the international community. Other countries will appropriately assess China's fulfillment of the commitments it has made in both Chinese and international law, including legal and constitutional commitments to ethnic minorities.